Welcome to the Justuno Enterprise Hub. Today we'll be reviewing the websites section, the roles and permissions, and then the team management section within the Enterprise Hub. To access the website section, click on Websites. Here you'll have an overview of all the website accounts associated with your organization. Note that there are two types of website accounts within the Enterprise Hub. If that account was created separately and you've been added in as a collaborator, you will be collaborating with that account. If you will be managing and owning all the assets, you will be managing that account. If you intend to manage that account, new accounts can be created by clicking on the Add Website button here. You will have the option to add in the name, URL, and an icon. Once you've done that, that new account will be added in to your Enterprise Hub as a managing account. In this segment, we'll be talking about the roles and permissions within the Enterprise Hub. To access roles and permissions, click on the Justuno icon on the top right. Here, you'll click on Admin Settings. On the left-hand side, find Roles and Permissions. Here, you can see all the preset roles within your company. You can also review the permissions for each role by clicking on this icon here, and then Info. All role permissions will be listed out here. You also have the ability to create custom roles. To do so, start by clicking on Create New Role. Here, you will input the role name, a description, and if you choose to do so, you can also toggle on two-factor authentication, IP restriction, and country restrictions. Once we've done that, click on Continue. You may specify what level of permissions that user may have on each one of these Justuno functions. Once you've done that, you can create the new role. Next is the Team Management section. To access the Team Management section, click on Team. Here you'll have an overview of all the members within your organization. To add a new team member, click on Add Team Member. Here you will input the email address of the new team member. You have the ability to set them as an admin, which will give them access to all the websites associated with this account. You can also choose to limit access for each specific website by clicking on the drop-down menu next to each website and selecting from the list of permissions you see here. Once you've done that, you can send the invite. All pending invitations can also be managed from the Invitations area here. You will see the status, the email, and the date it was created. You also have the ability to resend that invite or remove it altogether. And that is the Justuno Enterprise Hub.